Start. China and India are close neighbors. We learned from each other in ancient times, shared wheel and woe in modern times, and have a common cause of rejuvenation today. China India relations have become one of the most important bilateral relations. President Xi Jinping and Prime Minister Narendra Modi attach great importance to China India relations and have reached an important consensus that China and India are not rivals or threats to each other but are partners in cooperation and development opportunities. This provides a clear direction for the development of bilateral relations. We need to figure out how to implement it. Foreign Minister Wang Yi met with India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar twice recently and stressed that China and India should adhere to mutual respect, mutual understanding, mutual trust, mutual accommodation, and mutual accomplishment. The five mutuals provide a significant path for us to implement the above consensus. They should also be the guiding principle for the two big neighbors to get along well against the backdrop of profound changes unseen in a century. I believe that the five mutuals are conducive to bring China India relations back to a stable and sound track. Mutual respect is the prerequisite for the development of China India relations. As an Indian proverb goes, Jaisa Desh Vaisa Bhesh, which roughly means adopt the environment in which you are living. Not long ago, I visited Maharashtra, attended a traditional Indian wedding, wore local folk costumes, and tasted masala tea. I realized that as two ancient civilizations, both China and India have their own uniqueness in terms of dietary habits, lifestyles, cultural traditions, and development paths. However, these differences did not impede us from attracting and inspiring each other in history. In the new era, it is of even greater significance for us to view each other with an open mind, respect each other's development path, social system, and role on the world stage, and jointly promote development and prosperity of the two countries, the region, and the world. Mutual understanding is the basis of the development of China India relations. The two peoples empathized with and supported each other in their respective struggle for national independence and liberation. China understands India's aspiration